Hello there everyone. Thanks for joining me on this video. We're going to discuss a LinkedIn company page. Now a LinkedIn company page essentially is very similar to a Facebook fan page or business page and that of Google Plus pages as well. Now the only difference is LinkedIn is really designed for the business professional. So with that in mind, this is a centralized location or an area where you can share your expertise, things like news to do with the company, you can highlight products and services, you can engage with people for business opportunities. Also, it's a really good way of posting job opportunities and letting people know what it is that you do and how you actually do it. So this is your space for your company. Now, I'm on my profile page at the moment and I just want to go up to companies to get us started. Now I'm going to go across to the right and hit add a company. So this is essentially how you set it up from the initial stages. So here you're going to want to pop your company name in, and it has to be a relevant company, so a company that you're working for now. Obviously you have the permissions to do this, so you put in the name there. Then it needs to be an email address at the company. So a Gmail account email isn't really going to cut it with this one, or Yahoo. It needs to be whatever the company is. So for example, if your company's called, I don't know, Example Limited, it needs to be your name or initials at examplelimited.com or whatever the company is. It needs to be very specific to your company. Then you need to verify that you are a representative of the company and click continue. Now we already have a company page, but what I want to do is share the information and just let you know how you can arrange the information and also input the information. So once you've put in the company name and also you've specified the company email, then it's going to come up with information relating specifically to the business. So it's going to want to know whether it's a privately held organisation, it could be a public company, educational, self-employed, government agency, non-profit, you might be in the third sector, it could be self-owned, you might be a start-up company, it might be privately held, or it could be a partnership. So you need to put that information in first of all. Then it's going to ask you the company size. Obviously it's very different depending on the size of your company and what you offer. The website URL, then the main company industry. Now this is really important, particularly when people are searching for an industry within the local area. Maybe it might be you might be in animation, you could be in anything such as graphic design, human resources, you might be a sports business, but they need to know specifically what type of industry you're in. Also, you need to input the company operating status, whether it's a subsidiary, it's reorganised, out of business, has it been acquired, is it in operation at the moment. Then the year founded. Then also you need to put in some information in regards to the company locations. So where is the company, where is it based? Also you can add a number of different locations. If you have perhaps a central office, you might have various different locations. It might be a franchise or you might be a franchisee, so you want to put that information in. And then over here to the left, the standard logo it's going to ask for, so you can upload it. Then there's a square logo, and the square logo is used in sort of network updates, so it's a small little thumbnail that's going to be used. Now below that we're going to have the company description. Now this is really important, particularly when you're looking to communicate information about your business. So here you want to put in some information regarding the business itself, so what you actually do or deliver, what services or products you offer, maybe some of the industries, particularly the sectors that you've worked in, and the types of services or products that you've actually delivered. So this is going to be really important just to give people a breakdown when they search for your company. So here's where you put the company specialities. So we've got things like web design, SEO, e-commerce, social media. So again, you need to reflect the types of services that you offer or the types of products that you offer. So if you're clothing or particular retail, you might sell beauty products. You might have expertise in advertising, in marketing, in sales. It could be copywriting, it could be absolutely anything, but you need to put these very specialist keywords in there, and that's going to be important when people are searching for you, because they're going to be able to find you via these keywords. And also it lets people know that you're an expert in a particular field, so that's really important. Also you can add more specialities, so you can put as many as you like there. And here's where you put your company blog RSS feed, your really simple syndication feed. And essentially what it's going to do is pull the information from your blog and it's going to input it into LinkedIn in a way that can be represented so people can see the information and click on each post. And below that is the news module. So when your company is featured in the news, you can show news about the company or you can choose not to.